video, I'm going to need you to download your free gift. Click this link up here. For all of my new women content creators on a budget and on the go, this is the perfect cheat sheet for you on my must-have mobile apps and mobile tools to edit videos and edit photos, as well as taking HQ videos and cinematic footage, all on my iPhone. Make sure you download that free gift on this video. So the tools that I use whenever I want to shoot myself for the gram, I just kind of get my backdrop. I'll have the link down below. I use my 5-in-1 reflector to manipulate natural lighting. And I also use my iPhone tripod or my camera tripod. You can also use a table or a chair to set your iPhone up. I use a mirror so I can see myself, 2 backdrops, and of course your iPhone. The first thing that I usually do is just quickly set up my backdrop. I'll put the link down below. You guys, I really love this backdrop because it's super affordable for the new content creator on a budget. It's easy to assemble and it's not huge, so you can fit it in your room. I can adjust the size. It's really, really tall and it's perfect for taking a cute pic. So you want to grab a cute outfit. Ew. So you just want to change this to something comfy, something chilled, poppin'. So the first thing that I usually do whenever I'm about to record a video or take a picture, I always do facial exercises. I move my shoulders around. I do this for about 10 minutes and then we are ready to shoot. You also want to keep in mind that make sure that your hands, your fingers, and your shoulders are really relaxed. You want to keep in mind that you're just shooting for you, no one else. So have fun. For those of you who don't have a tripod or anything, I'm just gonna use this as an example. I have my iPhone placed here on my laptop and I'm just adjusting the auto exposure. You can do this, you guys, by holding down, just pressing the screen in camera mode, and then you'll see this pop up. You can just adjust the auto exposure. Next, we're gonna go to settings, go to camera, and we're gonna turn this grid on. This basically helps you guys to make sure that your image is straight and aligned. These grids pop up, so these are really helpful. Make sure that you are always facing the window, not like this, like this. You can always use a chair or a flat table in front of you to place your ring light by you. I'll put the link down below for one that's really inexpensive for you to use if you want to kind of give you that natural glow. And you guys, you don't want to overthink it. I heard some Cardi B on, so I started doing a bachata. So you don't want to overthink it. You just want to move around. You want to move, be fluid, be yourself. Don't overthink it. And of course, adjust your exposure on your iPhone again. If you want, you know, grab a cute purse, put on some shades, honey, you know, put on some stylish glasses. This is your picture for your social media, for your online brand, or whatever the case may be. So you just want to have fun. Don't overthink it. I also forgot to make sure that you always put your camera on timer. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. And also avoid holding your head upwards. You don't want the camera to get all up in your nose unless you are purposely doing this. Just make sure that you always put your chin down and just kind of move your shoulders around, move your hands around. You want to create shapes. You just want to be comfortable in your own skin. You want to smile, give a big smile. You want to jump for your picture. Just be you and just have fun. And also, you guys, don't forget to download that cheat sheet where you can use my mobile apps and tools must-haves to edit your pictures. And I hope you guys like this video. Have fun. I'll see you on the other side of the iPhone. Bye.